everybody, welcome to the channel, and if you're new, a really warm welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little tip to help you make sure you're using all of your dies and also help you use up your scraps. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a fair few dies, and if I'm honest, they don't always get used. My nesting dies, they're my go-tos. They get used all the time, regularly. Everything else, not so much. Sentiments, once in a blue moon, but everything else is kind of just forgotten about, sadly. And this bothers me because I have invested my money in these products and I want to make sure I'm using them and enjoying them. At the end of the day, I bought them for a reason. So I've come up with a little way to help me make sure I'm using them, and it also helps me keep my scrap pile under control. So let me share with you what I've been doing. Now, this is very much a work in progress, but it is working for me, so I thought I'd share. I have here one of the books, you've all seen them recently. I did a storage video using these and they've been in a few hauls. These were reduced to 50p in Hobbycraft a little while ago. They're actually supposed to be for keeping stickers in, but I have found alternate uses for them, shall we say. Now, what I have been doing is going through and storing die cuts in these. Some of these have really kindly been sent to me in swaps or Happy Mail, and others are dies that I've got in my stash. And by putting them in here, this is something I can have next to me when I'm crafting. It takes up no room at all. And I have a really great library here of die cuts, sentiments, you name it. So if I need something for a project, all I need to do is start flicking through. If they're too big to go in the pocket, as these doilies were, I just attach them with a paper clip. And this is working incredibly well for me. As you can see, I haven't got too far because this is relatively new, as I say. But my scrap pile has massively reduced. Already, I have started using things that ordinarily I wouldn't have reached for because it was a hassle when you're midway through a project to stop and do a die cut, or I hadn't actually thought about this die for a particularly long time, so I wouldn't have reached for it. So this is working really, really well, and I thought it was worth a share. So I'm going to continue with this. Literally in half an hour of an evening, I can have filled up several of those pockets and reduced my coloured scraps. It's fantastic. There's nothing stopping you doing it with patterned paper as well. I've done some here with the coffee cups. These ones are actually stamped and fussy cut, which again helps you make sure you're using your stamps. But I thought this was a great little idea and I thought it was worth a share. So that's what I came to do today. I hope you find it useful. Maybe you'll give it a go. I'd love to know what you think of this idea in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you have found this video useful or helpful, or if you just enjoyed it, please give it a little thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you so much for watching today. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.